So here we are in Lyme Regis. Slightly worse weather than it was yesterday. In fact, I'm not even sure whether you can even hear me because of like the rain and the nightmare. And this it's proper rocky. Not as in Balboa, you understand, but it is properly rocky underfoot. Laura's having trouble. Laura, just look up for 1 second. Yeah, cool. The doggy going in. Is he going to go in? Oh, what a wimp. Go on, doggy, in you go. Yeah, your owner's all right with you going in. Just go in. Yeah. Oh, what a wuss. Oh, what the? It's a bit raucous. Oh, Christ, at Christmas.
Trying to figure out
Try and figure what out?
where the best place is to look.
Look for what?
Like
Fossils? I think it's all the way over there. In you go, dog. Yeah, dog's going in. No. We found one. What's it called? An anemomerite? Ammonite.
too big to take home, sadly.
Well, yeah.
But we're holding out hope for this one.
Yeah, because it's got this little like nugget of like stuff there, which usually denotes a fossil.
Something in there.
I'm gonna put my coat back on because it's just started raining again. Like the song.
It's raining again.
Well, you say that, but it could very well be. That's very cool, isn't it? Oh wow, look at that. Right, hold on. It's proper rickety. Bang. Oh yeah. That's very cool. And then you're there by that one. You got a fossil by your feet.
I know.
So seriously, is that a skull or what? I mean, it looks like it's got teeth and everything. How's your footing?
Not good. I think you might have to take a picture. I don't want to fall over.
Oh yeah, but you got to come out, like step onto that there, and then you'll be able to see it fine. It's worth it, trust me, it's worth it. I think it's a human skull. Humanoid. And that proves that the Flintstones were real.
Meet the Flintstones, they're the modern Stone Age family.
Weird, isn't it? It's just a rock. The dog, look. I know, don't they? Yeah, I'm assuming that's like, yeah, different eras, different ice ages. What is it? What does it mean? What, traditional Cornish pasty? Like a real proper one in... Wait, does that mean we're in Cornwall?
Kind of, but I don't think we are.
Oh. Okay. Well, and we got hearts on our coffee because, you know, love. So we're at...
West Bay.
We're at West Bay. It's breezy. And it's where Danny Latimer was tossed off.
You can't be going! You can't be here! Stop getting off the beach! Get away from here!
Come on. And there's men doing things here. Fishing style. So there was a cliff fall here recently. No one died, obviously, but they are concerned that there's going to be another one, so we've got to be quite careful. But Laura doesn't really care. It's gotten really breezy. I don't know why I'm filming this like I'm a kid off of portrait mode. Look at all the cliffery. Ugh. Yeah, I'm like, darling, I'm doing a TikTok. I'm doing a TikTok. I'm doing a TikTok. I don't know what that means. I'm doing what the kids do. Look at the breeze. Oh hell, run! Run! The wind and the waves. So there, or here, is where the cliffs collapsed. And they say no one died, but how do they know? What? Where you gone? Come back! Hello, darling. You right, love? Cool. Do you really want to keep going? Look, we've walked miles, but we haven't really gone anywhere. I mean, I feel as though we've seen as much cliff as we need to. Oh, Jesus, look at that crack. Well, that's definitely coming down, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah, do you reckon we should go? What do aerated rocks even mean? I mean, there's like, you can actually go in that bit. Weird. There's another bit. Another aerated bit. That's really strange. I like the different fancy levels and the fact that there's another crack there too, and it could come down and pummel us at any minute. Don't do it, lady. Oh no. Yeah, the levels are cool, aren't they? So there's aerated rocks like there and there. What is that all about? Like, how is that a thing? It's trippy. Shelly. Anyway, so look at the water rushing in there. I can't tell you why it's rushing in, because the sea's over there. So is that coming from the river? It's quite the drop as well. Let's go really, really close. Yeah, there's loads of little shelliness down there as well. Shelly Duval. Like loads of shells. And a rat. Stand the crows. Is that a crow? Yeah. Is it? Wicked, I know birds now. Stone the crows. Right, I can't tell, but are they people on there or not? They do look like they're moving from here, which is here. Are they people? Yeah, they definitely. Well, yeah, she is what? Yeah, waving. Sure, it's fog. So wait, is it fog or mist? Does mist
I
happen
feel as
at the
though mist
sea?
happens at the sea.
Yeah, so fog is just like low-lying cloud.
I think. I don't know.
Sexy though, isn't it?
It's really just like, it's weird. This is what we were driving through last night when we were trying to get here.
It was dark, wasn't it?
And it was dark as well because it was
dark-ish.
night time.
So it's kind of funky.
So it was even more.